Hi everyone. Today we shall learn about the LCM. So let me read the question. Arrange the fractions 17 by 18, 31 by 36, 43 divided by 45, 59 divided by 60 in ascending order. It is difficult for us to arrange it in an order because both numerator and denominator have different values. So we'll make it any one of them as same value, then it will be easy for us to arrange. So let us take LCM, that is least common multiple for the denominators 18, 36, 45 and 60. In order to take LCM, we have to write all the denominators like this, and we have to observe one thing over here. Here it is 18, 36 even numbers we can find, 60 and 45 is not an even number, that's okay. Now in order to divide this, as the name LCM says, we have to find out least common multiple to divide all these even numbers first, because we have even numbers also here. So 2 is the least common multiple among all the multiples, so we can take 2 itself. When we divide by 2, when we divide 18 by 2, we'll get 9 as an answer. Then when we divide 36 by 2, we'll get 18. 45 we cannot divide, so let us keep it like that. When we divide 60 by 2, we'll get 30. That is 2 9s are 18. 2 18s are 36, 2 30s are 60. Now we still have an even number here, 18 and 30. So I am dividing it by 2 again. So when we divide by 2, we will get 9. We have to keep it like that. 18 divided by 2 will be 9. 30 divided by 2 will be 15. And 45 we cannot divide. So we'll keep it like that. Now 2 9s are 18, 2 15s are 30, 9 and 45 we have to write as it is. Now we don't have even numbers over here to take the least common multiple as 2. So there is an odd number and which is divisible by 3. 3 is the least common multiple. So now when we divide 9 by 3, we get 3 as the answer. Again we have 9 here. 9 divided by 3 will be 3. 45 divided by 3 will be 15. 15 divided by 3 will be 5. Now we shall see 3, 3, 15 and 5 is there. So 3 can be least common multiple. We can take to divide 3, 3 and 15. So now when we divide 3 by 3, we'll get 1. Again, we have 3 here. When we divide 3 divided by 3 will be 1 again. So 15 divided by 3 will be 5. 5 we cannot divide. So let us keep 5 as it is. Now we have to divide 5 and 5 here. So in 5 only we can divide. We cannot divide it either by 2 or 3. So we have no option here. So let me divide it by 5 only. So this is how we have to keep dividing the given denominators by choosing the least common multiples. Once this is done, we have to multiply the multiples. That is 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 3 will be 12. 12 into 3 is 36. 36 into 5 will be 180. So 180 is our LCM now. 180 is the LCM. Once we get LCM as 180, now we shall start dividing it by the denominators. So whatever answer we get, that we can multiply it. I will show you in next step. Now once we get LCM as 180, 180 divided by 18. This 18 is our first factor. This is our first factor. So 180 divided by 18 will give us 10. Now this 10 we have to multiply with the first. I will show you. See the markings where I am doing. We have to multiply that 10 with numerator as well as denominator. When we multiply 17 into 10, we will get 170. When we multiply 18 into 10, we'll get 180. So this is our first step. Now we have to do it in the same way for all the fractions. Then we will get all the denominators as the same number, where we can arrange it in ascending order or descending order. Now 180 is the LCM which we got earlier. Now 36 is the second denominator from the fraction list given in the question. Now 180 divided by 36 will give us 5. This 5 we have to multiply with this 31 and 36. When we have to multiply with 31 and 36. Now when we multiply 31 into 5, we will get 155, and 36 into 5, which will give us 180. So this is what we did for second fraction. Now we'll do for the third fraction. 180 divided by 45. So this is our 45. When we divide 180 by 45, we will get 4 as the answer. Now we have to multiply this 4 with 43 and 45. 43 into 4 is equal to 172. 45 into 4 is equal to 180. And this is what we got for our third fraction. Now we shall see the fourth one, that is 180 divided by 60. This is our fraction 59 divided by 60, and this denominator we are dividing by the entire LCM we got for these numbers. 180 divided by 60 will be 3. We have to multiply 3 with 59 and 60. 59 into 3 equal to 177. 60 into 3 equal to 180. Now we can observe one thing here. We have got all the denominators as 180. We can observe here, we got all the denominators as 180. So the next step will be 31 divided by 36. We can observe here, ascending order means we have to arrange it from low to big, from small number to big number we have to arrange. So we can see which is the small number, 177, 172, 155 or 170. Small number is 155 divided by 180. So 155 divided by 180 is your 31 divided by 36. So we are arranging it in the beginning first, then which is the second highest, 172, 177 or 170. 170 divided by 180 is the second one. So 17 divided by 18. So we got 17 divided by 18. Now third least is 172 divided by 180. That is 43 divided by 45. We are going from lower to higher. 43 divided by 45. Then the final one is 177 divided by 180. That is 59 divided by 60. Hope you understood this. It is arranged in increasing order. Which city is called as City of Buildings in India? Option A, Bangalore. Option B, Kolkata. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Mumbai. Kolkata is the answer for this, and it is the capital of West Bengal. Thank you.